Good morning. Hey, what's up? This is Brian Kuzmar from Commercial Rare Coins and Precious Metals in beautiful Lauderdale by the Sea. Another lovely day out there. Don't have my normal camera up at the Windjammer Hotel and Resort. I guess they're having some cam issues, but here's the cameras done by the city on both sides. This is the other side of the pier from what I normally show, and here's a little pavilion area here in Lauderdale by the Sea. And if you see that Christmas tree and you walk a few blocks down here to the right, you will find my store where I'm sitting at right now doing this report. And what's the weather look like? It's, gosh darn, it's 53 degrees. Holy smokes, I didn't realize it was that cold outside. Pretty cold for us Florida folks. And the ocean is just beautiful. Look at it out there. Okay, let's move along. It's going to be a really short report today. Not a lot to talk about. In fact, kind of disappointing day for for a lot of people that are on a certain side of politics here. So welcome to the shit show. That's basically what's going on here. Looks like if we have a blue sweep here, we will have higher prices for gold, silver, and platinum. We're going to have higher prices anyway, but we're just going to see the acceleration of this. And that leads me to believe one other thing. You know the big up day that we had on Monday morning and Sunday night? Well, that leads me to believe that gold was pre-anticipated. I couldn't figure out why metals were so up so high that evening. And I'm thinking that gold and silver and platinum were benefiting from that potential blue sweep. More or less, it was anticipating that win somehow. And I think smart money has an idea that there might be a blue sweep here and that Democrats may control Congress and the Senate possibly, or make tiebreakers in the Senate with Harris being the tiebreaker. So I think that gold and silver markets kind of realized this on Sunday nights before any of the other markets did, per se. And that is the reason we had that big up day. Of course, today it backed off a little bit. And I'm going to take a look at the dollar index here real quick. Because, again, we have a direct relationship. Gold and silver does, particularly gold, I'm sorry. Gold has a direct relationship with the dollar chart here. Oh, boy, what did I do? I just lost my gateway there. And let's move and try that one again. Gateway timeout. Dollar index, sorry about that. Of course, it happens when I'm sitting here talking to you. Looks like I won't be able to look at the dollar index. Looks like that page timed out somehow. But anyways, I'm going to move along to spot prices real quick here because there's really not much stories to talk about. The whole focus is on this election. I think everyone's on pens and needles, both sides. Irregardless, if you own gold or silver and precious metals, no matter what the outcome is, you're still going to do well this year. If the Democrats kind of sweep it, you'll see your prices go up much quicker, in my opinion. So let's take a look at prices here a little bit, and I'm going to do a quick let me refresh this page and see what we got going on here. And this is kind of be expected. As I was saying, you know, we had a really big jump up 1950 earlier in this week. So I expected to see this back off a little bit, and that's exactly what we've got going right here. Current market's at 1929. It's down $20, 21 bucks. Silver holding on to that $27 level. When I saw gold taking a hit for $21, I figured silver was going to take a 50-cent hit, but it really didn't. Well, it did take a 50-cent hit, but didn't take a major hit like I was thinking. Silver still holding above that 27, and gold still holding at 1929. And platinum's backed off a little bit, not holding that 1100 mark, but still handily holding above that 1050 mark where it was sitting for quite some time. And that's really about it. That's what do I think that's going to happen? I think right now you should, as I've been saying, buy the dips. And I was going to take it to the Wall Street Journal just to see. Let's skip the Wall Street Journal today. I was going to see what stock prices did, but it looked like they recovered a little bit. Futures were down quite a bit last night on the news of a blue sweep because they're, stock people are worried about regulation, taxes. They're worried about whatever puts money in their pocket. So if they see that one side might be getting too much control and it might hurt them, then they're going to pull their money. They're going to take their toys and go home. And is what we're going to be seeing here if we do see a blue sweep. A lot of people, I think the stock market's going to take a big crap. The dollar will take a crap. The whole economy is going to take, it already was, and it is. It's just going to be faster and more accelerated. And we've been talking about this for quite some time. So right now with the prices around 1929, 27, down 20 bucks, silver down 50 cents. This provides you the opportunity, and what's my crystal ball say? Provides you the opportunity to buy the friggin' dips. So when you see these down prices like this, buy the dips. That's the smartest thing you can do if you've still got money to invest in precious metals. If you're already fully invested, hey, just shut the screen down, don't look at prices, and just go away, because every time you come back, the stuff should be higher and higher. But don't forget to watch my show. I'll alert you to these things. And that's really about it. I think I'm doing the same thing you're doing, is just watching and seeing how this all plays out. But either way, we're good, and if you've got gold and silver, platinum, you're good to go. So don't panic too much. At least you're not sitting in the stock market or any other markets that are going to really take a big giant shit. That's really about it. This is Brian Kuzmar with Commercial Rare Coins and Precious Metals for probably one of my shortest shows in 7 months. But again, hey, listen, I can't have all long shows, and not a lot to talk about today. If you got any questions, give me a call, 954-493-8811. I'm open 10 to 4, Mondays through Fridays, and can also advise you what the best products to buy are. There's certainly some good deals out there in gold and silver, and I will beat all local prices. I will beat all internet prices, but I only deal locally, so I don't do any internet sales or any phone sales. But if you live locally, I will beat anybody that you can go to. Anyway, that's really about it. This is Brian Kuzmar signing off, and hope you have a great day. If anything crazy happens today, I will come back and do another report. If not, I'll talk to you tomorrow. Hey, thanks again for listening, and have yourself a great day.